Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate your site in multiple languages. Now, why you need to have your site in multiple languages? According to Statista, only 25.9% internet user use internet in English language. That means around 75% people use internet in other languages like Chinese language, Spanish language, Arabic language. Now let's say one of your blog is in English and you have 10,000 visitors. Now if you make your blog in multiple languages, you have high chances to grow your visitors from 10,000 to 14,000 since you are going to get all other languages visitor with your multiple translation. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your site in multiple languages, but before that I would like to know which is your mother language. Comment below which is your mother language proudly, so that we can understand you are proud about your mother language. Now the first step, we have to install one translation plugin. For that, we'll first log into our WordPress dashboard, then we'll go to the plugin section and click on add new. After that, we need to find G-Translate plugin. So here is the G-Translate plugin, and we are going to make our website in multiple languages with this plugin. I'm going to install it. After that, I'll active. Now I need to go to the settings menu. Here is the settings for your translation. Before set up this translation plugin, let me show you how this live site is look like. So this is our blog site. We are going to add one translate menu here in our primary menu. After that, we'll show you how you can set this translate menu in different area of this blog site. Getting back to the settings menu once again, here first thing, widget look. How the translate menu is going to look like, you can set from here. So I'm setting it as a drop down. You can set flags and drop down. There's some other option like only flag, flag with language name, flag with language code, and so on. So I'm going to set drop down. After that, the primary language of your website. So if your website is in English, you can set it as default English. If your website is in other language like Chinese language, French language, you can set it from here. After that, auto switch to browser language. I'm going to explain it later, but before that, let me show you show in menu. Since we are going to add this translation option in our primary menu, so I'm going to select it. After that, we need to select which language we are going to allow for translating our website. So English is auto selected. Since the primary language is in English, we can select some other language like Dutch language, Japanese language, Italic, Irish, German, and Greek language. You can select your own language as you want, or simply you can select check all option. But if you select this check all option, then this big menu will come to your website, which may disturb your user. So I'm not going to do this. I'm selecting some limited language and saving the changes. After that, I'm refreshing our live website. So the language changes option is here. Let me change one language, German, and now see the language has been changes in German language. Let me try one more. Here's the Italic language, and see the blog. Let me see one live blog. Well, so the blog language changes from English to Italic language. After that, let me show you how you can add this menu here in widgets area. So you can do it from the settings menu. Let's say you want to set default language as browser language. Like once your visitor is from France, then your website will be automatically in French language. In order to do that, please get back to the settings menu and now click this auto switch to browser language and save the changes. Alright, now when a visitor will visit your website from the China, they will get Chinese language automatically in their browser, since the browser language is in Chinese. After that, let me show you how you can set this translate option to this widgets area. In order to do that, we'll get back to the settings menu. After that, from the appearance, we'll go to the widgets area. Now under the settings menu, you will get GT translation. Please drag and drop it here, and now translate, save. I'm sorry for the spelling mistake. Let me refresh. So here is the translation option is appear. Now the next settings, how you can add flag with this name. So in order to do that, we'll get back to the settings once again. From the settings, we'll go to GT translate option and we'll select flags and drop down. We'll save it, refreshing the site. Now the flag is available here, so you can select from this flag icon or from the drop down menu. In the similar way, you can select any other option like flags with the language name, then you can select flags with language code, language name, and so on. Now one more settings I'd like to show. Let's say you want to set this translate option in a custom area, but you don't have that option in this settings area or in widgets area. In that case, you can just copy this code and paste on that place to add this translation option. Alright, so this was the translation video. Thank you for watching. Take care.